important to get down low. Stay down, crawl out, cause that's one place where the smoke can't go. Stay down, crawl out, crawling low and smoke keeps you feeling great. If you stand or climb, you can suffocate. When you're in smoke, never hesitate. Stay down, crawl out. Remember this when you're in a fire. Stay down, crawl out. If there is smoke and it's getting higher, stay down, crawl out. Crawling low and smoke keeps you feeling great. If you stand or climb, you can suffocate. When you're in smoke, never hesitate. Stay down, crawl out. Even if you don't see a single flame, breathing lots of smoke hurts you just the same. You must take care cause it's not a game. Stay down, crawl out. Stay down, crawl out. Stay down, crawl out. I know you'll all remember to crawl low if you ever get caught in smoke. Well, I'd better be on my way. I'm in charge of smelling today. I mean, sniffing for smoke. Bye now.
One more.
Hi, kids. I saw a movie last night where a man caught on fire and then ran all around until he burned up. That's the silliest thing I ever saw. Everybody knows that when your clothes catch on fire, running around only makes it worse. The thing to do is stop, drop down to the ground, and roll right onto the flames to smoke. My friends are here with me today to talk about that very thing. And together we're all going to learn how to stop, drop, and roll. Listen close now, because it could save your life someday.
Let's see now. Stop. Okay. Drop. Like this. And then roll around. Oh, hi kids. I'm Stan. And I'm practicing what you're supposed to do in case your clothes catch on fire. I guess it'd be kind of hard to stop and think if you caught on fire. Maybe if I practice enough, I won't have to think about it. Maybe it'll just come to me. The important thing is that you're not supposed to run around. You're supposed to stop, drop, and roll. Let me tell you exactly what I'm talking about. Well, listen here, everybody, I got something to say. A lesson everybody should learn. If you're in a fire, better really be cool. Cause if you panic, man, you sure can burn. And if your clothes begin to blaze, don't you lose control. Just stop. Stop, drop and roll. That's right, you just stop, drop and roll. I said stop, drop and roll. Don't run, but stop, drop and roll. Yeah, stop, drop and roll. Well, it's only fire safety be our goal. You just stop, stop, drop and roll. You understand what I'm saying to you? Well, you know that fire is a dangerous thing. I'm telling you it is the game. When you catch a fire and you run all around, well, don't you know that you just fan the flame? So if your clothes begin to blaze, don't you lose control. You just stop, stop, drop and roll. We're cooking now. You just stop, drop and roll. Don't panic. Stop, drop and roll. Yeah, you gotta stop, drop and roll. Use your head. Stop, drop and roll. That's right. Let's all make fire safe to be our goal. You just stop, drop and roll. Yeah, this is one hot song. But now I'm glad that you took the time to listen today, to hear just what I'm saying to you. I know you'll be safer if you call it a thought, and you will know exactly what to do. Cause if your clothes begin to blaze, you will lose control. You just stop. stop, drop and roll. Yeah, if you just stop, drop and roll. So let's all make fire safety be our goal. You just stop, stop, drop and roll. Yeah, let's all make fire safety be our goal. You just stop, drop and roll. Yeah, I guess I better be going. I gotta go change my clothes. All this stop, drop, and rolling has really made a mess of them. Bye now.
Right.